So here you go. Ken was driving the Studebaker to look at an airplane that's been sitting for a while. So please, folks, don't park your airplane in an airport and then never fly it. This is what happens to it.
Now there's the airplane that hadn't been flown in a few days.
Days?
We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
They weren't kidding when they said the ground would eat you alive.
Okay, we have here a well-grown 172. That's amazing. I don't care if it is a Cessna, that's a shame. Poor thing. What kind of animals have we got living under the back here? My God. Hey Grant, think we got mold problems at our airport.
God. Mole Central.
That's what they call a groundhog hole.
No kidding.
And akin to a prairie dog.
Shine a light down there. See if that groundhog will come out. Oh, do you have your LED light?
No.
That way we can see the groundhog before it sees us. Literally. You'd be blinded by the light. I've seen the light, and it blinded me.
That is absolutely amazing.
That's pity.
So we hope you found all that useful and informative, maybe even a little entertaining. Please don't let this happen to your airplane, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, let me apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.